Hi, I'm Joe Saunders with Miniature Landscape Hobbies, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can support Ukraine while working on a cool 3D printed miniature. Let's face it, the situation in Ukraine affects us all. Like a lot of people, I imagine you feel like there's not a whole lot you can do, although I don't know anybody that doesn't want to lend support in one way or the other. Fortunately for the miniature gamer, we now have an option. Last week I was contacted by a regular viewer on the Miniature Landscape Hobbies channel named JP. JP has an acquaintance named Nikita Klimenko, who's from Kharkov in Ukraine. Nikita has been displaced by the shelling out of his home, just like many of his other country people. He also happens to be an accomplished digital sculptor. To do his part, Nikita has made a miniature of a brave Ukrainian soldier defending his home, and he has made it downloadable as an STL file for 3D printing. You can get this in exchange for a donation. 100% of the proceeds go to the National Bank of Ukraine's Special Fund for the Armed Forces. This creates a great opportunity for those who like to build in miniature. They can get an excellent model to print and at the same time make a donation to a good cause. Of course, if you want to make a donation without the download, you certainly can. On top of this, if you want the model but you don't have your own 3D printer, you can order the model pre-printed from Spira Miniatures. They'll then donate the proceeds on your behalf. The links for the downloadable model, Spira Miniatures, and more information about Nikita are in the video description below. Now, I was honored that I was contacted to do my part as a representative for this fundraiser. So I quickly made a donation and got to work building and printing this excellent model. I did my best in the process to pull out all the stops to make this model the recipient of all the attention that this topic deserves. What follows in this video is my method for painting this miniature. Please enjoy, and if you can support this worthy cause, please do.